Hello guys, welcome back once again in Study Tip. Hope that you all must be fine at home. Guys, as we are seeing that weather is changing day by day, so we have to be very careful. Just be at home, carry on studying and carry on watching the video of Study Tip. Guys, we had completed our exercise 7 and reached to exercise 8. We are going to discuss about adjectives for comparison. In our previous class, we had already discussed about the degree of comparison. How many degrees of comparison are there? There are 3 degrees of comparison. For example, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. For example, good, better, best, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So come, let us discuss about the degrees of comparison or adjectives for comparison. Before starting the video guys, come, let's press the bell icon over here and subscribe the channel if new. Guys, we the family of Bloomfield International School is always standing beside you for your studies. Carry on watching, we are always with you guys. Carry on watching the full video without skipping the video. Well guys, it is very helpful guys. I promise you, whatever the family of Bloomfield International School provides you for your study, it is very helpful for you all. Come guys, let us get started today. Okay, here I have mentioned it. Adjectives can have 3 forms: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. I have mentioned it here. Positive degree, when we talk about a person or thing, okay, without any comparison involved, without any other comparison involved, okay, it is known as positive degree. It is a good pen, it is a good marker. That means I'm talking about this marker. I'm not comparing it with other markers. Okay, next is comparative degree. When a comparison is made between 2 person or things, okay, the comparison form is used. Suppose I have 2 markers here in my hand. This is better marker than this. He is good, he is a good boy. That means I'm talking about a single boy. If I compare the boy with another boy, so we can say that he is the better boy. He is better than him. Well guys, next come to the superlative degree. When the comparison shows the best, okay, or the worst in a group, the superlative form is used. This is the best marker. Whenever, always remember guys, whenever we use the superlative degree, before using the superlative degree, we use the. Well guys, the best boy, he is the best boy among, that means we are talking about all the boys. He is the best boy. He is the most beautiful student. She is the most beautiful student. Well guys, so come, let us go through this chapter, concentrate and watch the full video without skipping the video, because this is one of the best chapter, important chapter for you all. So this is the reason I am requesting you all to please do not skip the video and watch. So come, let's get started of exercise 8, adjectives for comparison. Now guys, see, I have mentioned it here. The comparative and superlative degrees are formed in 3 ways. The 3 ways have been, we have to pay attention on these 3 ways. Okay, first I have mentioned it here, by adding ER or EST. By adding ER or EST. Okay, after the adjectives for short words. For example, I have mentioned here, suppose that tall. So taller and tallest. This is my comparative degree and this is my superlative degree here. This is my comparative degree and this is my superlative degree. For small words we use just we add er or est to make the word superlative or comparative. Next we have to pay attention on by adding more and most, okay, or less and least, okay, before the adjectives. For long words, what we have to do? By adding more and most, okay, or less or least before the adjectives. For long words, for example, beautiful, okay, so more beautiful to make the word comparative, and for superlative, most beautiful, we just add most. Here less useful, least useful. Well guys, third point, by changing the forms of words, okay, in a few cases we have to just change, we have to pay attention, okay. For example, see, the words has been changed here: good, better, best. See, good, better, best. This is the positive, comparative and superlative degree. Now guys, come, let's go through some few more examples, okay, how we change the positive words into comparative and superlative. What are the rule regulation? Just guys, I request you to please just carry on watching the full video without skipping. You are going to enjoy and you are going to learn a lot today guys, I promise you that. Well guys, now we have already reached in the rule and regulation of degrees of comparison, okay, so it's time to concentrate and just watch the video, okay. Now guys, the first rule is written here: in many adjectives and adverbs of one syllable, we just add er or r for comparative and est or st for superlative degree. Well guys, go once again, okay. In many adjectives or adverbs of one syllable, we just add what we add? er or r for comparative, okay, and est or st for superlative degree. Examples has been given you here, okay. I request you to try to note it down in your fair copy, okay. The degrees of comparison I have mentioned it here: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now come, according to this rule we are going to discuss about the degree of comparison. Small, to make it, what I have told you, to make it comparative, just we have to add er or r, okay. Small, see, I have mentioned it here, okay. Smaller, see, er is here, well, okay, er is here. Next is smallest, see here, est is mentioned here, est is here. Well, for superlative degree, because I have mentioned it here, est or st you have to add to change the positive into superlative degree. Next is sweet, okay. Next is sweet, sweeter, see here, er is mentioned here, and for superlative degree, est for superlative degree. Well guys, now tall, taller, tallest, okay. Young, younger, youngest. Next is high, higher, highest. Next is strong, stronger, strongest. Next is dark, darker, darkest. Next, kind, kinder, kindest. Next is poor, poorer, poorest. Next is clever, cleverer, cleverest. Okay, once again: small, smaller, smallest; sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Next is tall, taller, tallest; young, younger, youngest. Next is high, higher, highest. Next is strong, stronger, strongest; dark, darker, darkest. Next is kind, kinder, kindest. Next, poor, poorer, poorest. Last one, clever, cleverer, cleverest. This is very important guys, okay. And I will teach you how to change the degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, superlative, because it is very necessary guys. So I request you to carry on full video, just carry on watching the full video without skipping. Shall we come to the next rule? Yes, come, let's go to the next rule. Well guys, now second rule. Okay, if adjectives, pay attention guys, huh? If adjectives of positive degree in adjectives of positive degree ends in consonant plus y, consonant plus y, okay, consonant plus y, then we remove the y, we remove the y. Okay, for example here pretty, pretty is has a is ending in the consonant, y is here, so it is a consonant. Okay, so what is saying that just we have to remove the y, we have to just remove the y and add I. We have to remove the y, we have to add the I, and after I we just have to add er. What we have to add? We have to add er to make comparative and add est for superlative degree. It's very easy guys. Okay, once again, if adjectives of positive degree ends in consonant plus y, okay, then we just remove the y and add I. Instead of y, we just add I, and after adding the I, we have to use er to make the word comparative. Okay, and est for superlative degree, and est for superlative degree. For example, what I have told, we have to just remove the y. Pretty, 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 y, remove the y and just add I. What has been said? We have to add I. I have added here. After adding the I, we have to use er. See, er I have mentioned here. Er is mentioned here. So comparative degree has been completed. And for superlative degree, what has been said? Est, we have to add est. See here. Priti est. Est is here. See, est is here. To make the positive degree into superlative degree. For come more easy, easy, y is here. Okay, what we have to do? We have to just remove the y and add I. I is here, and after adding the I, just mention it er. See here, easier. So comparative degree has been completed. Now for superlative degree, see here easi, and what I have told you to just add est. Est is here. Well, these are few examples: pretty, prettier, prettiest, easy, easier, easiest. Next is wealthy, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Next is heavy, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Next is holy, holy, holier, holiest. Next is dry, 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 drier, driest. Merry, merrier, merriest. So these are the second rule. Just go through this and try to mention it in the fair copy. Hope that you had already made your fair copy guys. Try to improve your writing. Writing skill is very important guys. Okay, now come, let's go to the last rule, the third rule. This is very important guys, and I promise you it will improve your English. Come, let's go to the third rule. Now guys, the third rule. Okay, those adverbs, pay attention guys, those adverbs which ends in ly. See, ly. Suppose beautifully, ly. Skillfully, ly is ending. Wisely, ly is ending. Carefully, ly is ending. Frequently, ly. So those adverbs which ends in ly, we just add, okay, more for comparative. What we add? Just we have to add more for comparative, and most, okay, and most for superlative degree. It's easy. For that means for which ends those adverbs, okay, which ends with ly, just we have to add more for comparative, and for superlative most. For example, beautifully, more beautifully, most beautifully. Next is skillfully, more skillfully, most skillfully. Next, wisely, more wisely, most wisely. Next is carefully, more carefully, most carefully. Last is frequently, more frequently, most frequently. Okay, once again, beautifully, most beautifully, skillfully, more skillfully, most skillfully, wisely, more wisely, most wisely, carefully, more carefully, most carefully, frequently, more frequently, most frequently. Okay, these are examples. Okay, degrees of comparison. Hope that you understood. If any problem, guys, just go to the comment box, drop some message, and I will try my level best. And I had tried my level best to take this chapter in a very easy way, guys. Hope that you all concentrated and watched the video. Thank you for watching the video. Now it's time to go to the comment box, mention your name. It is mandatory to mention the name of any subjects, guys. Whenever you watch the video, just go to the comment box. Just go to the comment box and mention your name. Finish. Your attendance automatically is done up here. Well, guys, I would like to request you once again to, now it's time to just for your homework. It's time for your homework. Just go to the PDF, just download the PDF. All the homeworks has been given for you. All the pages has been scanned for you. But guys, I would like to request you to please, if you don't have book, just contact the school office as soon as possible. Well, guys, books is our best friend, guys. So don't miss the opportunity. Just contact the school office for any subjects. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Like the channel, comment the channel, okay, and share the channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day and just be safe, guys. Always we pray for you all, guys. Well, you know that. Okay, so but carry on watching the videos of Bloomfield International Schools study trip. Thank you once again, guys.